UniFi offers 7 different types of access points, designed to cover every potential environment and deployment type. Selecting the right AP is an important choice for maximizing your wireless coverage and performance. So in this video, we'll cover the different types of APs and the situations that each AP is best suited for. Ceiling-mounted APs come in various models and are best suited for indoor environments. Designed with an antenna pattern pointed at the horizon, ceiling-mounted APs will deliver the best possible performance for homes or small and medium-sized businesses. Next, we have in-wall APs that mount on the wall similar to an electrical outlet, allowing them to be more discreetly placed. Therefore, in-wall APs are well-suited for hotels, museums, or any indoor environment where having low-profile, unobtrusive devices is preferred. In-wall APs also come with a built-in PoE, or Power over Ethernet switch, capable of providing a fast gigabit wired connection, as well as power to PoE-compatible devices. Mesh APs are small and sleek, yet very powerful. Perfect for any size business or home deployment, the compact modern design allows for the APs to be aesthetically displayed near users for optimal performance. Mesh APs are highly versatile, able to be mounted on a wall, ceiling, pole, tabletop, extending your wireless coverage, transitioning indoors to outdoors for large office campuses, universities, and beyond. Wi-Fi extenders are the easiest APs to install, plugging right into a standard electrical wall outlet. For indoor use, a Mesh AP extends your coverage by linking up to other nearby APs. The Wi-Fi base station is the most powerful, highest capacity AP available. Indoors or outdoors, the base station shines in high-density environments like event centers and stadiums, any environment that requires large areas of coverage for large amounts of people. A building-to-building bridge is an efficient way of creating a powerful multi-gigabit wireless link between two locations. Designed with multi-building deployments in mind, a bridge will let you quickly and easily create a connected network between two buildings. A building-to-building bridge is highly directional and performs best indoors or outdoors as long as there are no obstructions between the two antennas. All APs operate with Power over Ethernet and are elegantly designed to work seamlessly with UniFi's line of switches. Let's take a quick look at all of those options again. Wall or ceiling-mounted APs are all powered by PoE, can handle 150 to 1,500 concurrent clients, and have a maximum power consumption of up to 31 watts. In-wall APs mount into a pre-installed electrical wall box, powered by PoE+, allow up to 250 concurrent clients, and have a maximum power consumption of up to 23 watts. Mesh APs can be mounted on the wall, ceiling, tabletop, or pole, are powered by PoE, allow up to 192 concurrent clients, and have a maximum power consumption of 10.5 watts. Wi-Fi extenders are mounted and powered by a standard US wall outlet, offers 2 times larger Wi-Fi coverage range, and has a maximum power consumption of 11.5 watts. The base station is mounted on a wall or pole and is VESA compatible, powered by PoE, allows up to 1,500 concurrent clients, and has a maximum power consumption of 31 watts. The building-to-building bridge is wall and pole mountable, powered by PoE, has a range of up to 500 meters, and has a maximum power consumption of 11 watts. No matter the type or size of your network deployment, UniFi offers a variety of access point solutions designed to meet your needs. Maximize your coverage and performance at www.ui.com.